Today I'm going to present you my current lamp. I use it every day. It's from CICADA and it's one of the best current light lamp into the market. The price is perfect and for the quality you get there is no other like this one. So you can see it's have a modern design. It's metal, not heavy but very good for working. Have some easy to put stuffs so you can make your working very good. It's on a magnetic field, so it's easy to be put in. So when you put and do this lighting, it's very comfortable for you to reach every corner of the mount that you need it. So there is a few others, so you can have a carriers detector and so many options to work. You have timer, you can see it. Have a different function. It's displayed over here, so it's very easy for you to make your daily work and do it perfect.